Look at this heat signature right here.
Is that the cough?
The heart rate is stable at 28 BPM.
Good, and the temperature seems consistent with yesterday's readings.
This advanced scanning technology allows us to monitor the elephant's health and growth in unprecedented detail.
All right, move along now. Keep it slow.
Attention in the main yard. Proceed to the left enclosure now. Single file.
All right, girls, keep it moving. Nice and steady now.
That's it, big step up. Good girl, hold steady. Got the weight locked. Okay, here's your treat. You did very well.
The gait seems steady, perhaps a slight favoring of the left fore.
I agree, but the inflammation around the ear tag site looks good.
Check the eye area, slight inflammation there.
Okay, I see it. Documenting now. Look at this spike in activity for the juveniles right here.
That correlates with the new feeding schedule.
As you can see, the hydration levels are stable and the movement patterns have improved since Tuesday.
Okay, I see that. Good work.
The hydration levels are stable, but we're seeing a slight dip in REM cycles during the midday heat.
Perhaps we adjust the misting schedule. Hydration levels are stable, but we need to monitor the caloric intake closely.
All right, everyone, let's keep moving towards Sector 4.
Scan complete. The measurements look good.
Confirmed.
Using advanced laser grids, we can create precise 3D maps of the elephants, ensuring their continued health in the sanctuary.
That's ball of a herring. This chain is showing some rust, but the lock seems secure.
I've noted the corrosion. We should schedule a replacement soon.
Agreed.
The nutrient density meets the standards.
Consistent with the previous analysis then. Consistency seems right, but we need to monitor the flow rate here.
Okay, I'll keep an eye on this section for blockages.
The automated feeder is running smoothly now. We adjusted the flow rate here on the tablet.
And the elephants are responding well to the new schedule.
The heart rate seems stable during feeding.
Confirmed. The glucose levels are also normalizing.
Okay, the feed flow rate is stable at 2.5 kilograms per minute.
Good. The metabolic data on screen 3 confirms we have a high demand spike on the eastern quadrant.
Ramping up the feed flow through the automated system.
Careful, that's a big bundle.
Here they come. Let's get this last one out.
Okay, move it over here.
The readings here indicate healthy development.
Confirmed. I've updated the chart.
You're being such a good patient. Here you go.
Okay, we've got the sample secured. Vitals are steady.
All parameters look good on the screen.
The inflammation markers are elevated right here.
Okay, applying slightly more pressure now. The reading is stabilizing. Just a quick clean and then the vaccine. Vitals look good, go ahead.
Vitals are stable. Continue descent.
Speed looks good.
Make sure you cover the whole area.
The heart rate is stabilizing, but the respiration is still a bit high. Okay, let's keep the pace slow for the next click. The enzyme levels are slightly elevated here. We should monitor that. Okay, maintain the current speed.
Heart rate looks steady.
Good girl, take the melon.
Okay, applying the sensor now.
Confirmed. Data stream is active.
The levels look stabilized now.
Vitals are dropping. We have a problem. Get a team down there now.
We're losing containment on subject 4. Move, move, move!
All right, girls, easy does it. We're almost through the gate.
The estrogen levels are rising rapidly here. We should monitor her closely.
Reorganization.
Yes, but the activity data suggests she's calm.
Hormone levels spiking slightly here. Check the activity levels on the tablet.
Activity remains steady, no behavioral changes noted.
Easy now, keep coming through.
That's it, right here. Good girl.
The data confirms the optimal breeding window. We have a match.
I'll start from this side, you take the middle.
All right, let's finish this before noon.
Steady at 105.
All right, the tag is secure. Let's monitor for an hour. 105 kilos on the scale. Got the tag on.
Looks like they're moving towards the water hole. Note the time.
Stable milk production.
Keep going, you're doing great.
I'm noting the skin condition on the flank. And I'm seeing some minor inflammation here on the abdomen. The heartbeat is strong and steady. Looks perfect, perfect.
All right, come on, good job.
Good job, reach right here. You got it.
Okay, let's try the target. Tap, tap. Good girl. The growth curve indicates healthy development. We are seeing steady weight gain right here.
As you can see here, the biometric stats for the matriarch are stable, indicating she's ready for the transition.
Understood. I'll prep the gates.
Confirmed, subject 4 is stable and proceeding as scheduled. Monitoring vitals now.
The northern group is moving through the corridor now. We have confirmation, status is green.
The lead group is heading east.
near the red markers.
I see that. Send the drone higher to track the full herd movement.
They're moving east towards the watering hole.
Roger that. Bringing the drone down.
Watch your left side, keep the gate clear.
Look at the reading on this fracture.
Keep grinding. I'll mark the weak points on the schematic.
Easy now, easy.
Good girl, keep coming.
Easy, easy now.
Step down, that's a good girl. Watch the edge.
Almost finished with this section. Looks good. We should check on the elephants soon.
Easy now. Bring him onto the blue mats.
Watch the trunk. Keep him steady for the weight reading.
The pressure readings are normalizing.
Okay, girls, move along now. Gates are open.
Okay, bring it up slightly. Yeah, right there. Now dump the load. We need to move that pile by noon. The trenching team's ready.
Roger that. I'll update the log.
As you can see, we're hitting the 70% target right on schedule.
Excellent news.
Log this batch as OER Tech. The levels are significantly higher than the control group.
This next scoop goes into the Dextech container. Are the readings stable on your end?
Yes, logging it now. The environmentals are consistent.
We need to move the herd towards the upper enclosure before sundown.
All right, I'll open the gate now.
The daily routine new at the sanctuary involves both strenuous upkeep health monitoring.
Okay, easy, steady now. Walk up, keep moving through the gate.
Okay, lift him up. Good job. There's a treat for you.
Looks like she's steady now.
Okay, reading is 4,200 kilograms. Let's record that.
Keep it steady on the track.
Heart rate levels are stabilizing right here.
Confirmed, the new harness is working as expected.
The migration pattern has shifted 20 kilometers east. We need to adjust the projected feeding zones immediately.
Understood. I'll update the tracking parameters.
Good job, eat up now.
Okay, let's move over here.
He seems very calm today.
Yes, the tractor doesn't bother him anymore.
Look at that smile. He loves the new tractor.
He really does. All right, time for snacks.
Okay, easy now, walk straight. Good job. Here's your carrot. Are you hungry?
The hydration levels look stable. Noted. Come on, easy now. Good girl.
Pull, pull. Harder now.
The pressure readings are stable across the main conduits.
And the flow rate matches the projections. The data looks good here.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down slowly. Watch the tether. All right, bring it up slowly now. Hold it there.
We have a deviation in the migration path. Analyze the data.
Watch the gears. Lift it slowly now.
Make sure the alignment is perfect before you weld the seam. Hey, stop right there! Move back now! Move back now!
Open the valve slowly.
Flow rate is nominal. Zoom in on grid reference C-4. The elephant is approaching the boundary.
Optimization complete, all systems green.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the edge there.
The calcium levels are normalizing.
Good, let's prep for the transfer.
Watch your footing now, easy. The metrics look stable. We can proceed with the transfer.
All right, easy now. Bring it down slowly.
Scan successful.
Confirmed. We are cleared for transport.
This bolt is seized up tight.
I know, the padlock barely fit. Do you think it's secure enough for the transfer?
The current trajectory suggests they're heading towards the Libyan coast. We need to reroute the nearest patrol.
The ship is approaching the coast of Somalia.
We have confirmation on the manifest. ETA is still holding.
Easy now, just a little tighter.
All right, steady now. Get inside.
We need to secure the upper brackets before the next haul.
The bedding looks good down here. Careful here, the moisture reading is high by the crates.
Yeah, I see the damp patches. Making a note now.
Data looks good. We'll stick to the current feeding schedule.
All right.
Vitals are stable for transport. The scanner confirms the crate is clear.
Lungs sound good. Just listen to the heart now.
Clear breathing sounds. Recording vitals now. The data shows a significant shift in the northern regions.
According to this, the weight index is up by 2% since last week.
Good, the new dietary plan is working.
The microchip confirms the origin. Okay, cross-referencing the permit.
Vitals are stable, but respiration is shallow.
All right, engage the hoist slowly. Keep the tension even.
Straps are clear on the left side. Pressure looks good.
Copy that. Continue the ascent.
Easy now, big fella. You're doing just fine.
Track the green signals. They're moving faster than anticipated. We need to reroute the drone immediately.
The tracking data from the northern herd shows a consistent migration pattern this quarter. We've seen a 20% increase in successful births.
As you can see, the conservation efforts in the northern regions are showing significant improvement.
If we reroute Pimo's Garden, we avoid the restricted zone.
The water filtration system is already exceeding targets.
Yes, and the energy savings are substantial.
The socialization patterns are shifting faster than anticipated.
I agree. The matriarch seems particularly active today, regulating access to the water.
He seems very interested in the new feeder design.
Yes, but his intake is slightly down this week, according to the tablet. He seems to prefer the green one today.
Yes, activity levels are up 20% since we added the chains.
Noted. We should replicate this setup in Section 4.
All clear, sending them through now.
Confirmed. Come on, ladies, keep it moving.
New camera feed from the western sector is stable now.
Good, we have full coverage of the herd's movement.
The telemetry data confirms the migration pattern is shifting earlier this season.
And the stress metrics are stable despite the heat.
This graph highlights the success of our yearly elephant operations, particularly in the northern regions. As presented in the yearly operations review, our data suggests a significant improvement on the herd's overall health.
The resource budget clearly indicates a shift in our sourcing strategy for the upcoming fiscal year.
As you can see in the resource budget, the produced source per million has exceeded our projections for this quarter.